back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing another cooking tutorial. I wasn't sure what to name this one just because, you know, like, is it like Chile poblano or rajas cremosas? Like, I really didn't know what to really name it or what is in like a name for it. So I'm just gonna go with, today we're gonna be doing rajas cremosas. This plate I really actually learned from my grandma. But yeah, just if you want to see how I got this platillo de rajas cremosas, just keep on watching. Ok, so lo que vamos a necesitar son chiles poblanos, voy a usar 4, crema, de cualquier crema que quieran usar, queso mozzarella, cream cheese, cebolla, elote, y luego pimienta, sal y paprika, y un ajo en pedacitos. Mientras estaba tostando el chile en el comal, corté mi pechuga de pollo en cuadritos. Y lo que voy a hacer ahora es agregarle la sal, pimienta y la paprika. Y lo voy a mezclar. Ok, ahora lo que voy a hacer es agregar el cream cheese. Y tengo como 3/4 que me quedaron anteriormente. So, eso es lo que voy a usar. Después voy a agregar la crema. Son como, puede ser como 2 cucharadas. Y luego le voy a echar leche y si necesito más le voy a echar más. Y ahora sí, a licuarlo. Y como estaba batallando un poco la licuadora, está muy espeso, so le vamos a echar otro tanto de leche y lo vamos a poner a licuar otra vez. Ok, ahora vamos a poner la cebolla, junto con el ajo. Después de que ya esté blandita la cebolla un poco, vamos a agregarle el pollo. Ok, mientras está guisando el pollo, vamos a cortar las rajas. Ya le quité las semillas, so ahora lo que voy a hacer es cortar las rajas. Y las vamos a cortar largas. Y se me hace que las voy a cortar en 3. Ok, ahora sí vamos a agregar el elote. Después vamos a agregar las rajas. Y vamos a menearlo. Ok, le voy a agregar poquito consomé de pollo. Y le voy a menear. No quiero poner mucho porque todavía le tengo que agregar la crema y ver qué tanta de sal le hace falta o si así está bien. So, no le quiero poner mucho consomé. So, ya que le hagamos meneado, voy a agregar la crema. So ahorita está bien, es más como líquido. So lo que voy a hacer es esperar un ratito a que se guise para que toda la comida, el pollo y todo absorba poquito y se haga más espesa la crema. So voy a esperar a que hierva. Ok, ahora sí vamos a agregarle el queso mozzarella y pueden taparlo y dejarlo que se derrita así, pero a mí me gusta menearle y que se mezcle con todo, no me gusta dejarlo arriba. Y pueden notar como ya no es mucho como líquido, se está haciendo más espeso y el mozzarella también ayuda con eso. So, ahorita lo probé también antes de agregar el queso y la crema estaba bien, estaba perfecto. Lo que le había agregado al pollo y con el consomé está perfecto de sal. So, así ya está listo y este es el resultado final. So that concludes this tutorial. I am trying to practice as much as I can just so it won't be so awkward on the videos. It's really hard, right? Because you're like concentrating and then, you know, I'm just not used to being on camera or recording myself and I hate hearing my voice. And so it's really hard to kind of like get in the groove. So excuse me if my tutorials are a little bit awkward. Once I get into the groove, I hopefully will be a little more like at ease. I have been getting a lot of requests to do like this chile that I made over the weekend. I made some chile that my grandma also taught me how to cook, which is like just like a topping, you know, kind of like a salsa. And then I know people have asked me about, what was it? Oh, a caldo de carne molida that I did the other day as well. So hopefully as fall is going to be coming in, as you can see, I am ready. I am all ready for it. But yeah, as fall comes in, winter comes in, I'm going to be doing more caldos, more stuff like that, pozole. I have yet to learn how to do menudo, but once I do, I'll probably put that or record that too. That way y'all can learn with me. And as crazy as it seems, somebody had asked me how I do my frijoles too, which honestly it is a little bit different. So I think I am going to be doing a tutorial on how we do our frijoles, because I'm sorry, some people, yes, is it basic? Yes. Should people know how to do these? Yes, but a lot of people don't. And then I know a lot of young girls who get engaged. They don't cook or anything like that. They get engaged very young, get married very young, and so they kind of like have to learn, you know, like just kind of like have to learn and go with the flow. And so I want the tutorials that I do to kind of be for people that already know how to cook and people that are beginning to cook, because obviously I wish I would have had someone else other than my grandma to have taught me how to have watched videos on how to cook and stuff like that, or what to cook, you know what I mean? And so I will be doing that too. But yeah, like I said, just hang on with me. I'm gonna be getting in the groove of this, so it should become a little bit easier. I will be a little more constant with this, obviously, because I cook more than obviously I do my makeup. But I will be doing get ready with me. I had cooked these rajas. Rude. I had cooked these rajas a while back. I had already pre-recorded it. But of course, for those of you that don't know, my grandma passed away, so I did go through a lot. I was busy, so I never really finished it. Like, I think I did the tutorial, and then like the day after or 2 days after is when I had to leave back to Dallas to pretty much go to my grandma's funeral. So That's why there was a huge pause in between, because I was kind of starting to get into the groove of, you know, making the tutorials. So I will be doing a get ready with me just to kind of catch up with what's been going on with my life, what's, you know, where are we at now. But yeah, hopefully I will be doing more videos. But thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please subscribe, please share it, because obviously I'm going to be doing more cooking stuff. So obviously if your comadres, your friend, your whatever it is, wants to learn how to do certain different plates, or just wants a little bit of different sazon, share it with them. Share it on your page, please. And so yeah, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, please. And I will see y'all in my next video.